Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. People are joining back. There are
Yes.
4 or 5 people more. And 3 minutes to start the meeting.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
क्वेश्चन क्या प्लेसमेंट वो क्वेश्चन जाकर जाएंगे.
Yes, there was a question by Dr. Kinjal in the last meeting.
Yeah.
How to check contact
Yes.
when crown came from lab, if too tight and we adjusted in clinic. Is there chances of food lodgement after 2 to 3 months proximally?
Pardon.
Is there chances of food lodgement after 2 to 3 months proximally? मतलब
Okay.
लैब से आने के कैप सेमेंटेशन करने के बाद 2 to 3
समझ गया.
months के बाद चांसेस है क्या food lodgement?
It's a good question. मतलब the main purpose of giving a good contact is to provide food lodgement and to create a spillway embrasures. Are we going? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir. Somebody is there. हाँ. Now there is
तो
no noise.
उसके अंदर कांटेक्ट पॉइंट को चेक करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका जो रहेगा, पहले मॉडल पे अगर अपन ने चेक करा तो व्हाट जनरली लैब पीपल डू इज दे जस्ट डू ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ द क्राउन प्रॉक्सिमली इनटू द एडजेसेंट टूथ.
Okay.
And instead of making a convex contact point, they are generally giving us with a concave contact point. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
तो उसके अंदर जब भी इस तरीके से अपन क्राउन लगाते हैं, तो जब अपन क्राउन at the time of cementation you find it कि it is very good contact and all, but then you start experiencing कि after 2 to 3 months of after the crown delivery the patient starts experiencing food lodgement once the excess cements get dissolved. Okay. So the best way is to, once you place a crown, then you should always check your contact point with a floss. The floss should snugly go through the contact with slight resistance. There should not be very heavy resistance and there should not be very easy to go through and through. If it is going through and through, that means you don't have a contact at all with your prosthesis and the natural tooth. In that case, you should resend the crown to the lab, asking him to rebuild the contact. And if it is too tight, then there are few occlusal sprays, or with the help of very fine articulating paper, you can get a mark on the crown and slightly reduce that mark on the crown and reseat it, readjust it until you get a good proximal contact. And if you are requiring to do little more adjustment, then you will be requiring the crown to be sent back for the glaze to avoid ceramic chipping off in for future.
Okay. The next
Pooja has
question,
asked a question.
next question is from Dr. Sakshi. After crown
Yeah.
fixation, if patients has gum epulis due to food lodgement, what would be
Yeah.
the best treatment for it? Also, please give some tips to avoid food lodgement after crown fixation. Similar to the current question.
Crown fixation. After crown fixation, before luting the cement, you should always check with the contact point. And if your contact points at the time of luting is perfect, then there will be minimal chances of food lodgement for years. After years, if you are having contact point, then you have to see the adjacent tooth for the caries or some migration which may happen during the course of functional or action. So once if you are checking the proximal contacts at the time of delivery and if they are good, there will be almost negligible chances for having food lodgement in your patient's future.
Okay.
Somebody has asked something about Pontic design.
Yes, sir. Dr. Pooja has asked, what is the best Pontic design for lower molar bridge and for lateral incisor?
For lower molars, matlab you have to see the ridge contour, how the ridge is. Depending on that, you can follow. Sanitary Pontic would be the easiest. Then it may be spheroidal Pontic or it may be modified ridge lap Pontic, depending on the clinical situation and the ridge configuration. If you have got well high rounded ridge, then you can think of giving a spheroidal Pontic where the Pontic will be touching only on the crest of the ridge. If you have got a very thin ridge and there is a defect, matlab the edentulous area is going low down with respect to the adjacent tooth, then you can think of modified ridge lap Pontic, wherein it will be covering the buccal surface and from lingual after the crown adjacent crown contour, it would be tapering down to make the area self cleansable. For lateral incisor, the best would be ovate Pontic if you can make it, or else again modified ridge lap.
Okay, sir. There is a question from me. Whenever we get the cap crown bridge from lab, we have to adjust in the mouth and we have to adjust with the occlusion also. If there is high point or if there is less height, then the.
So if you
And
are
then it starts with the gingival inflammation and
yes, तो इसके अंदर अगर अपन पेशेंट के मुंह में if you are not able to change the prosthesis, what you can do is with using a polishing burr diamond, you
okay.
can just increase the width of the embrasure.
And sir, if this happens from the lingual side, can we do the same from there also?
Yeah. Mostly, matlab, whenever we are doing preparation, mostly you are always doing less of lingual preparation. You are doing more of
Yes,
buccal
sir.
preparation.
Yes,
So,
sir.
80 to 90% of crowns are lingually over contoured. And
Over
once
contoured.
the over contoured gingiva जहाँ भी रहेगा वहाँ पे food accumulation की probability ज़्यादा हो जाएगी.
Yes, so वो step
Because
बन
it
जाता है
lacks the
वहाँ पे.
physiologic stimulation. तो
Right,
ऐसे
sir.
इसके अंदर अपन लिंगुअल साइड पे भी इस तरीके से उसको करके थोड़ा सा उसका कंटूर मॉडिफाई कर देंगे तो विल रिजॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम।
Right, sir. Can I ask another question?
या
Doc- sir, I have a young patient. She's 23, 24 years old female with a congenitally missing upper lateral incisor. And she's not interested in implants.
ओके
So I had sent the models to my lab, asking about if I can go about with the Maryland, but at that time there was no overjet. She had got ortho treatment done, but there was very less overjet. So the lab refused that there is no space, so we cannot do. Now we have corrected that by doing ortho for her lower inside, lower jaw, and now we have got the overjet. So should I go about with the, because I'm not interested in giving a bridge in a 24-year-old female cutting, means preparing her central and canine. So is Maryland a good option, or
यस
should I plan for something else?
no, Maryland will be a good option if you are following good bonding protocols. It should work out. The only thing you should take care is there should be no occlusal mark on the lateral incisor or pontic.
Yes, for that only I had convinced the patient to go for ortho again, and now we have a good, means overjet is there, and there is no mark coming on. Now also there is no mark coming on with the on the central and the canine. So and I
So
am
you can do
planning for a
wing
fixed
preparation. You can
wing
do a wing
preparation.
preparation on central and canine, and then using this you can go ahead with the Maryland bridge or any adhesive bridge.
So what else? I mean, it should be done in Emax only. That would be the adhesive way of
नहीं
doing it. Or
अभी फर्स्ट मतलब एट दिस यू कैन इवन ट्राई इन फॉर मतलब आजकल इनडायरेक्ट कंपोजिट्स भी अच्छे आ रहे हैं विच कैन बी
okay.
गिवन first to assess the aesthetics and the follow up, and once it has got वैसे by the age of 23 24 it has been already stabilized. How long before you have completed orthodontic treatment?
Sir, she has got done only in the lowers, not in the uppers. Ortho is
Okay,
still, means they
अच्छा
are still,
okay, okay.
she is not ready to go in for ortho or for the uppers because of the aesthetics. So we did only for the
तो
lower jaw and to get the overjet.
हाँ तो इसके अंदर मतलब अभी अपन पहले ईमैक्स से पहले एक बार कंपोजिट वाला या अपने जो फाइबर ब्रिजेस आते हैं ना पीछे
Yes, sir.
जीसी का आता है यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दैट एंड हाउ इट इज टर्निंग आउट टू बी एंड यू कैन
Okay. So
एक्सप्लेन द
how much
पेशेंट
time? Okay.
as long as it works a year or two, and
Okay.
then once everything gets settled down, then you can plan for emax permanent one, because for
Okay. Okay.
emax you would be requiring to do a little more prep
Yes, sir. That is
when
what,
compared
because
to the
Maryland Emax
fiber.
I have never done.
हाँ
Abhi to I have just given her a acrylic crown bonded to with a flowable composite on the adjacent natural teeth, but that comes off because I have not prepared
yeah,
anything. It is just a temporary thing that we have given her for the aesthetic part only. Because
so you can try in for indirect composites.
indirect
मतलब लैब
composites.
पे मैरीलैंड ब्रिज करके और वो कंपोजिट के विंग्स बना के दे देंगे और फिर उसके
Yes,
ऊपर
sir.
कर सकते हैं। सेकंड अपन
And
इवन आजकल प्रिंटेड एक अपने ये
PMMA
है
crown.
पीएमएमए
Yes, sir. Yes,
मिलिंग
sir.
या प्रिंटेड करके, तो उसमें अगर इफ द
Dentcare is
पेशेंट हैज गॉट
making that PMMA. Yes, sir.
हाँ so that is also working out to be good, मतलब it has got good polishability, so the
The
color
staining part is not there.
yeah,
In long
but
run.
they are doing with mix and match करके कर देते हैं। तो अगर पेशेंट का शेड इज नॉर्मल A2 A3 या ऐसा
Normal
है
A2,
कुछ,
हाँ, young patient है तो
हाँ
normal A2.
तो फिर उसका अच्छा रिजल्ट आ जाना चाहिए इवन विथ पीएमए में।
Okay. So this can be done for posteriors also if some patient is not ready as of now कि अभी
नो नो
implants नहीं कराना है,
पोस्टीरियरली नहीं, इट
posteriors
विल
में
गेट
नहीं कर सकते.
फ्रैक्चर वेरी ऑफन।
So
It will
means
get
what is the
fracture very
option
often.
if means I generally give a flexible small flexible denture to the patient कि ठीक है चलो अभी implants नहीं कराना, bridge avoid